The country awaits to get back to normalcy after almost 3 months of the lockdown. However, the coronavirus cases in India are surging every day. India in the morning was only 800 cases behind Russia to overtake it and become the third worst hit country by the pandemic across the world. India has been reporting more than 18,000 coronavirus infections per day for over a week now. Let's look at the global numbers of COVID-19. The SARS-CoV-2 virus has so far infected 1,14,11,607 people globally. The death toll across the world stands at 5,34,192. The number of recovered patients in the world rose to 64,61,130 with almost 57% of the global recovery rate. In India, the total number of positive COVID-19 cases have gone up to 6,73,165, out of which 4,09,082 have been either cured or discharged. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 stands at 19,268. Of these 19,268 deaths, Maharashtra accounts for the maximum with 8,671 fatalities, followed by Delhi 3,004, Gujarat 1,925, Uttar Pradesh 773, Madhya Pradesh 598 and Rajasthan 447. In the last 24 hours in India, around 24,815 new cases of COVID-19 were reported, whereas 613 deaths linked to coronavirus were reported. Let's move on towards the important news of the day. None of the 11 COVID-19 vaccine candidates currently in human clinical trials worldwide, including India-made Covaxin and Zycov-D, are not likely to be ready for mass use before 2021, the Ministry of Science and Technology said on Sunday afternoon. The ministry's statement comes amid a row over a letter by the ICMR setting August 15 Independence Day as the target for developing and releasing a viable novel coronavirus vaccine. Medical experts and opposition parties have claimed the date was set up to help Prime Minister Modi score political points ahead of crucial elections in Bihar later this year. Moving on to the next news, safety rules for the coronavirus pandemic will have to be followed for the next 1 year, the Kerala government said on Sunday. Wearing masks or face covers in public and social distancing are among the rules that will be mandatory. Masks will also have to be worn at workplaces and 6 feet of social distancing will apply everywhere. Weddings can only be attended by up to 50 people and funerals by 20 people. No manner of social gatherings, get-togethers, processions, dharnas, congregations or demonstrations can be conducted without written permission from the authorities. Participants in such gatherings will not exceed 10 people, the government said. In shops and all other commercial establishments, the maximum number of people or customers allowed at a time shall not exceed 20 depending on the size of the room to maintain social distancing of 6 feet. Spitting in public places, roads or pavements will be strictly banned. Passes will not be needed for interstate travel, but passengers will need to register at Jagrata e-platform.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.